Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, day 14, and today we're going to call it How To Thursday. How to grow a pineapple top from a pineapple. Look, a lot of you will go to the shop, buy a pineapple like this, and take the top off and leave the top at the shop, or prefer to buy them without the top. But I want to show you how to actually grow a pineapple top and get a plant from a bit of fruit. Now, this is an old pineapple that we had sitting around, so I just wanted to sort of show you what the next steps are with this. Okay, step one. Obviously, you can either pull the top off. I like to cut it, so let's cut the top, and it relieves this part, basically a pineapple with its little bit on the bottom. So what we normally do is we normally take this off. So that's the starting point, and it basically just relieves leaves a stump that we can grow, and basically this will become your plant. But I'll show you what to do next with that. But just to give you an idea, it can be cut off, it can be pulled off, but basically this will just tear off from the bottom of your pineapple plant and now can be used, and this will become your plant. Okay, next step. So a couple of ways we can do this. We can either put this straight into the ground or into water, and I'll show you how we can do both. But normally what we want to do is we want to take off the bottom run of this pineapple. We just roll back a few of the leaves, and we're going to keep revealing part of the plant. So we want to keep pulling them back bit by bit, and you can see this. There's a bit of a stump coming about. Alright, so we keep it a bit further. We want a bit of room to either put it into the soil or put it into water. Alright, so we keep going, and that will give us a tear off these old leaves. Alright, but that gives us what we want to plant with, and so that's the starting point. Now, the next step from this is we can decide if we're going to put it straight into water and let it root that way, or we're going to put it straight into soil and let it go that way. So let me show both methods, and then you can decide what's going to work with you, and you can try either way. Okay, the other method is using water. So we've got a jar and the plant, and this is what it looks like after a period of time. So it starts growing its roots from the bottom, and eventually we'll plant that back into the soil mix that we just made. But that just gives you an idea. So that just goes to the bottom of there. So in this example, put it into the bottom of the water, and that's it. Now let that sit there for a number of weeks. The roots will start coming out. Change the water every once in a while, as it just to give it fresh, clean water. But eventually that will go from that and get to this point. Okay, my soil mix is 1 part bark, decomposed bark, 2 parts potting mix. Doesn't matter what quality, it's just a potting mix that you like and use, and 1 part perlite. This could also be foam, anything you've got sitting around that can give air to the soil. Okay. Alright, so we put all these in here. And the potting mix. And we mix it. Okay, put this mix in. and then we make a hole. Okay, so the other method, as I said before, is we can plant this directly into the soil mix. We cover that up, we grab a bit more soil mix just to grip around the edge. And then that's it. After a number of months, this will start growing roots as well, and eventually it will form into a pineapple. So there you go. How To Thursday by Craig. My first one in Project 365. As I said in the initial video, Project 365 is about learning new things, showing you things that I do, and one of my loves is pineapples, and this is the first one on the list. So day 14 for the first how-to video. Alright, peace out peeps, love you, see you tomorrow.